Tonight's bedtime bird is about the common chaff. A very plain leaf warbler found in a variety of wooded and scrubby habitats, often near water. Best identified by voice, song is a slightly jerky double-noted chiff chaff, very different from song of the similar willow warbler. Relative to that, chiff chaffs are often duller, with more brownish overall with a weaker pale eyebrow, dark legs, and tend to have habitually dip its tail. Also similar to booted and sykes warbler, but these are browner toned with darkish legs and bill. Time for tonight's song. Listen again. Chiff chaff, chiff chaff. Brilliant. That was the chiff chaff, tonight's bird. Now tomorrow's, the coal-tit tomorrow. So be ready on that. That's all for today. See you soon. Bye.